everyone, and welcome to Swap Meet!
Hello.
Oh, Shadow, you look adorable in that red.
Thanks.
Welcome to Swap Meet. Since this is your first time playing, I'll explain how this game works. In this game, the goal is to collect 2 sets of 3 Mii characters wearing the same colored outfit. From the 4 in the center, each player picks 1 Mii to swap with one of his or her own.
Or their own, to put it lightly.
Players choose Mii characters from the middle in the order they placed in the minigame each round. If you manage to get 2 rows of 3 matching Mii characters, that's a 3 times 2.
Once you play the chosen number of seats, the player with the most points is the winner.
Good luck!
And here we go. The first set of the game.
Okay. Oh, okay, Space Brawl. Okay.
Ow!
Uh-oh.
Looks like we're right by Jupiter.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, finish.
To be fair, the controls were kind of wonky for me.
It's okay, Shadow. The controls are kind of wacky. I know.
Yes, this minigame can sometimes be difficult to master.
The results are in. This round, the order will be Cream, that's me, Barbara, Luca, and Shadow.
That's me.
Well, I guess I could go for a mystery character. Oh. Okay.
Let's go with this one.
Oh. Reminds you of the Olympic Games, right?
Yes, it's a shame Mario and Sonic at the Olympic Games got discontinued.
Yeah, it's a real shame that they decided to cancel the series of Mario and Sonic at the Olympic Games. I guess they're gonna have something else in mind.
Yes, but it had a good run.
Sorry! Coming through!
Sonic must have taught her that. She went so fast. I don't know how I came last. Me, Luca, and Barbara were literally neck and neck. It is what it is.
I think that's Cosmo, I believe. Let's go with her.
One to go.
Oh! Someone already has a 1 to go.
One to go.
And now I have one to go.
I guess this one is based off of luck.
Start.
I'm going with this one.
Dang.
I guess Luca is the winner then. You got lucky today. Ooh!
One to go.
And look at that! I have a one to go.
I'll pass. Sorry.
Ooh.
Start.
I'm not the best driver here, so...
Yes, the driving is mostly the Sonic racing games.
Oh no!
Gotta watch out for that.
This is where my driving gets wacky. Well, at least I came in second.
Yes, and I came in third.
Okay, no problem.
This is only the first set.
Oh, hey!
Not bad. And now we're on set 2.
Ooh! Uh-oh. Looks like the zombies got Fang. Or whoever that is. We were all trapped in a corner.
How did you pull off not getting tagged? I probably won't question it. It's luck.
Let's go for train me.
One to go.
Woohoo! First one to go, one to go.
Another game based on luck. I don't think Blaze would like this because of how high up it is.
Start.
Well, yeah, Blaze is afraid of heights, so there's no way that she was gonna like this. Nice!
Yes, we both got lucky on that one.
Okay, let's see what this does. Oh, look at that!
I probably should have seen that coming.
This third one all comes down to luck, so if we all get this one,
Finish.
I am just as speechless as you are. What just happened there?
anyways, sure, why not? I would still have a want to go either way.
One to go.
Oh! I like taking a walk here and there.
Same. It gives me a break from using my chaos control all the time.
You know, my ears would get overheated by the heat that was going on.
Yes, we seem to have a lot of heat waves on Mobius.
Right here? I think I was too far. Something tells me I was pretty far off.
I think I was too far too.
Oh no!
I stand corrected. I was pretty far.
I think we were both kind of far. It's fine. It's fine. I kind of knew this was gonna happen.
Yes, very unexpected.
Oh, looks like me, Luca, and Barbara are tied. We have a three-way tie.
Not a fan of spotlights.
Start.
I'm guessing you don't really like the spotlight.
No, it's too bright for me.
Hey! Well, I wasn't quick enough. Alright, Shadow, you got this.
Finish.
And I've done it.
this was kind of helpful because he wasn't clearly. Ooh.
Start.
We have to put our puzzle together. Ooh, I think I know.
Finish.
I'm not very good at puzzles.
One to go.
Uh-oh.
One to go.
What?
One to go.
Everybody's getting a one to go. Oh!
Start.
Whoops! Sonic Golf, anyone?
As much as I don't really like sports, that would be a good idea for a game. Sonic Golf.
Look at that! 3 times 2! Okay, we're on to set 4. Oh! Something tells me I'm gonna love this one.
I'm a little bit camera shy,
Start.
so I'm glad I'm just holding the camera. And I see Rouge. Knowing her, she's ready for a close-up.
Ooh, I think I got a good one.
Finish.
Yeah! You all got seconds! Let's go with this one. Okay. Oh. Okay. red can in the air.
Finish.
It looks like me and Luca tied. I got it!
One to go.
All right. Ooh.
One to go. One to go.
Hmm.
I actually like this one.
I know how much of a daredevil you can be, Shadow.
Yes, but Sonic is more of a daredevil than I am.
Start. Finish.
It's mostly about timing with that one.
Yes.
Sorry.
One to go.
Oh. Well, okay then.
Hmm.
Final set.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Start.
Well, at least I got a little bit of yardage there.
Chaos. Swing!
Not bad.
Yes, not bad at all.
Wow.
Finish.
Well, I mean, you might use your ears when you hover over the multiple logs.
Maybe I could use my ears for this part.
Yes, mostly hovering though.
Finish.
Okay.
1 to go. One to go.
Ooh. Oh! This kind of reminds me of Mario and Sonic at the Winter Games.
Yes, that was all the way back in 2014.
Whoa!
Finish.
Let's go!
One to go.
Whoa! Oh! Well, that's okay.
And the game is over.
Thanks for playing. Now it's time to announce the winner. With 22 points, it's Luca. I was close though. I was actually very close.
If you had one more point, you would have tied with Luca.
Well, thanks for playing with me, Shadow.
No problem. Thanks for having me.
Anytime.